In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Swipe down one more time to expand the quick panel. Now, look for the screen recorder option and tap on it. If you select full screen, the recorder captures everything that appears across the entire tablet display. If you select partial screen, you can choose a specific area of the display to record instead of recording the entire screen. Now let's look at the sound options. If you select no sound, the screen will be recorded without any audio. If you select media sounds, the recording will include the audio coming from your tablet, such as music, videos, game sounds, or other media audio. This option records both the tablet's media audio and your microphone audio. After choosing your preferred screen and sound options, tap Start Recording. You'll see a short countdown, and then the screen recording will begin. You can now use your tablet normally while everything is being recorded. When you're finished, tap the stop button from the screen recorder controls. The recording will automatically be saved to your tablet. To find it, open the Gallery app and look for your screen recording. This is how you can record the screen on the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite.